Welcome to Tools of the Future. Here, you will uncover a selection of advanced AI tools designed to enhance your efficiency and productivity while simplifying your daily tasks. These innovative technologies are here to transform and elevate your lifestyle, providing solutions that save you time and effort. Subscribe now to ensure you remain at the forefront of progress and innovation in this rapidly evolving digital landscape.
AI tools that will change your life in 2026. AI isn't the future. It's the present. And the people who learn how to use it today will control tomorrow. In this video, I'll show you 5 AI tools that can save you hours, boost your creativity, and help you earn more, even if you're just getting started. Tool 1. ChatGPT 5.1. ChatGPT is your personal strategist. It writes, analyzes, plans, researches, everything instantly. Scene 4. Tool 2. Claude 3.7. Claude is the master of long content. If you work with documents, scripts, books, or business plans, this is the tool. Scene 5. Tool 3. Pictory. Want to create videos without recording anything? Pictory turns your text into beautiful videos in minutes. Scene 6. Tool 4. Runway Gen 3. Runway allows you to create cinematic AI videos, perfect for intros, ads, and storytelling. Scene 7. Tool 5. Gamma AI. Need fast presentations? Gamma builds visually stunning decks automatically. If you want more tools like this, hit subscribe and step into the future with me. AI to nie przyszłość, to teraźniejszość. W tym filmie pokażę Ci 5 narzędzi AI, które oszczędzą czas i zwiększą zarobki. ChatGPT, Twój osobisty strateg. Claude, mistrz długich treści i dokumentów. Pictory, filmy bez nagrywania i montażu. Runway, filmy kinowe generowane przez AI. Gamma AI, szybkie, piękne prezentacje. Subskrybuj, jeśli chcesz więcej narzędzi AI.